A new study analysing Google search data has found that Norwich is the most vegan-obsessed city in the UK, which is really not a shock given Norwich's variety of wonderful plant-based restaurants, shops and even game cafes. And as it's Veganuary this month, we thought we'd highlight a few of our favourites. First up is Moorish Falafel Bar, which serves vegan street food in a couple of locations around the city. Their falafel wraps and burgers are a must-try if you're going vegan this month. Next up is the Tipsy Vegan. We recommend ordering small plates for the table so you can try out as many things on the menu as possible. And you can try a great selection of vegan drinks as well. Third on our list is Namaste Village, who are hosting a Veganuary Indian street food carnival on Sunday the 14th of January. Or if you fancy something sweet, head to Cherry Leaf, who have a wide variety of vegan and dairy-free options. Our final pick is Falafel and Friends, which can be found at Norwich Market. This tornado potato was a real showstopper, and the tofu wrap also got our seal of approval.